How to log in to Bellevue University. So if you want to log into Bellevue University, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Bellevue University login. And once you've searched for Bellevue University login, you need to simply scroll down. And here you will have University of Bellevue and you will have login. So simply click on that. And once you've searched, you can go for the first search or you can go for the second search, which has student login information or general login information. You can simply choose any option. And now you can go for login, which is on the upper right. And now you can scroll down and choose any option that you would like to log in. So I'll be choosing the first option, which is Bruin Connect. And once you've chosen, now you need to first enter your username of your, and once you've opened, now you can simply enter your username of your Bellevue University. And once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password and if you want to need some help, then you can go for need help signing in so that you can get some help while signing or logging into your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then you can click on remember me if you want to save your login information on your PC or laptop for the next time. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it. And after entering your information, you can click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, if your information is correct, like your username and your password, then it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Bellevue University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.